Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can share your liked songs on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna find your notifications. Here you're gonna find your friend activity, and right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it, here you're going to find account. From here, you can access your account settings. Here you can go to your profile. You can also upgrade to premium, start a private session. You can go to your settings. And lastly, you can log out from your Spotify account. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section. You're going to find the search section. And right here, you're going to find your library. If you click on expand your library, from here, you can expand it and see all of your playlists and also your albums. So right now, if you want to go to your liked songs, you're going to find this right here under expand your library option. So basically guys, once you're here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of your liked songs. And here in the top, you're going to find the option to play the playlist. Here you're going to find the option to enable shuffle for your liked songs. And lastly, right here, you're going to find the option to download your liked songs. As you can see, guys, right here, there is no option to share your liked songs. So the only way to share your liked songs is to go song by song. You can click on the three dots right here, go to the bottom, then click on share and copy the song link. Or there is another option is by creating a new playlist. Then go to all of the songs in your liked songs playlist, right click, go ahead and click on add to playlist, then add it to that playlist. Then you're gonna have the option to share the playlist. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.